Subukan ko ni Rose. Okay, so let's start with this product. Foundation. Of course, foundation. Kaya wak man tayo primer. Pobre man ta. Okay, let's start. Ito ka na lang. Ay, siguro nadaga na. Barato. So, banha kayo. Let's open this. This is a double-ended foundation because dili siya na foundation and dili is lash brush. Eyeshadow palettes with let's this open. Look. Diba maayo? So we're gonna use this one because bago siya. So ganahan mo tanan na ginawin niyo ang mga kuan. Like nanay and this. Look at the brush. I mean, look at that. Naapay sa amin, naapay brush. Ano ka? Ano bang kanala siya? What is that? Wait lang. What? Okay. And here the finished product. Wala product ako. Look. Sobrang Latina. Di ba Latina? Sobrang soft girl. Diba? Kuri katasog ilong.